Hello again and welcome to another Handy Dan video. We just received this RockVille 8-inch sub. It says 400 watts on the box, but with 15 amp fuse, 180 watts is all you'll get. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, well, there's not much else on the box. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's got nice looks. Feels solid. There's all the adjustments and connections on one side. There's the bottom view. Impressive. It's actually cast metal. Okay, in the box we have the volume control cable, the remote volume knob, the power plug, got mounting feet and screws, and here we have the warranty card and the owner's manual, which is pretty simple. It's not a whole lot to this install. Okay, first thing is the wires are too short, so I soldered 12 gauge and heat shrunk the tubing on there. Okay, here we have it all wired up. We have the remote control for the volume. We have the audio cables. And the power runs down along this way with these longer 12 gauge wires. Okay, first I have to remove the passenger seat. There's 4 bolts. I believe it's a T50. There's 2 up front and 2 in the rear. Okay, now we have the seat out. We can lift up the carpet so we can see where to run the wires. Okay, I'm going to run them between the seat rails. That'd be the best place. So these wires will go to the stereo. And these 2 go over towards the battery. And here's the progress. Okay, use the aluminum tape to hold it all down. I have this inline fuse holder. It's going to connect over here at this terminal to the positive on the battery, and this wire will ground to the body on this lug here. Okay, now we got it all connected. I'm going to go ahead and put in a 30 amp fuse here. This will protect just in case of a short. Good and tight. And the stereo cables run up this way. Okay, it's all finished. Wires taped down nice and clean. Okay, out of the way, we can drop the carpet down. Okay, now we're ready to put the seat back in. ahead and tighten up all 4 bolts. 2 in the back, 2 in the front. Now to remove the stereo, behind these control knobs there's one center screw. And be careful not to drop it. Probably a magnet would be handy. And then the trim just snaps off. There's 4 screws holding the stereo in. Okay, I made this mounting board. I had to take the amp apart to screw it down, kind of voided the warranty. While I had it apart, this is very well built. Wires are soldered, wrapped in foam. It's a very nice amp. There's even a screw holding the magnet. I'll put the 4 corner bolts back in. And there it is, ready to mount into the car. There was a factory hook on this spacer. The spacer takes up the thickness of the padding. The other side had a plastic clip, so I machined this piece to fit in this side. Let's go ahead and install it. Try to get these bolts started by hand first. Let's check the other one. Okay, now we got it all installed and tightened down. It's time to test it. Okay, we got this new RockVille 8-inch woofer mounted down to the factory mounts for stability. This thing's mounted right to the car. We're going to go ahead and do another sound pressure test. So just like last time, we got the same microphone mounted in the middle. We're going to be running the pink noise at 20 on the volume, just like last time. And we have the Spectra RT, and we're going to run it just like before. Okay, I'm going to hit play here. Make sure he gets it. Okay. Click run. Okay, pretty typical for an 8-inch woofer. You're not going to see much down below 40. We got 30 and 20. A lot of that 20 is just resonance from the car. But we do have more of a fill through the middle there. So we're going to go ahead and take another snippet. Now it's locked up. Okay, we're going to save that and we're going to compare that to the other video. Okay, here's the overlay showing the low frequency increase of around plus 10 dB below 70 Hertz. That is a great increase. Plus 6 dB is considered twice as loud. But then again, I think I still need a 12-inch sub. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button. Feel free to subscribe to stay up to date on all my crazy antics.